So in this week's episode of Barefoot Sail and Dive,
yeah, what have we done this week? So I've been helping a friend with a project, repairing a keel joint. I get to see that. And also we're going to take Foxy for a bit of a run on the beach and a little bit of what she's been adventuring around this week as well. So I hope you enjoyed this week's episode. We also want to take 2 seconds as well before we get started, say a massive thank you to everybody that's the patrons and everyone else that's just suddenly found the donate button on our website. So thank you so much for hitting donate on there. It's definitely helping us out getting more products and supplies that we need to fix this project.
So thank you very much, guys. Cheers. Enjoy.
Cheers, guys. Enjoy.
Hi, I'm Erica, and this is my fiance, Davy. We are living aboard our new to us hurricane-damaged catamaran, Barefoot 2.0. We met in Fiji 3 years ago and have experienced so many beautiful places together. For the past 2 years, we've made the ocean our home, starting on our Catalina 36 in the States and the Northern Caribbean. We hope to one day circumnavigate the globe, but for now we are fixing our boat one step at a time. Subscribe to our channel to follow our journey. When faced with a challenge, look for a way, not a way out.
Hey there guys, so this is Marina Tropical here in Luperon, Dominican Republic. So that's where I'm going to spend the next couple of days helping out Matt. So we're going to go and have a look at Matt's job. He's got a keel joint that needs a little bit of repair, a little bit looking after. So let's go give him a hand with that and check out this job. Morning guys, so we're in the boatyard this morning and no, it's not because we've hauled out yet. It's because we're going to give my good friend Matt, give us a wave Matt, going to give him a hand. So he's got a beautiful Catalina here, but he's got a slight issue. He was doing a bottom job and he's got a slight issue here where the keel joins to the boat here. To be honest, it's actually a really good seam. It's nice and solid, but what looks like happened, this was an area that had like an adhesive filler in it just to build it up, make it straight. And the way it's come off so clean. It was like someone forgot to wash it with acetone or something like that before they put the filler on, and it's just basically flaked off. So the boat itself nice and solid, but we'll do a quick repair. We'll grind this back, this joint, make it nice and flush again, put a strip of fiberglass over that, let that dry, and then we'll come back tomorrow and we'll put some fairing filler, well, adhesive filler first because it's quite thick, and then a fairing filler, so it'll be ready for priming and painting. Alrighty, so we've ground back both sides now, come up nice and clean. This side's actually better than the other side was. Did find here at one point, there was an area here as I was tapping with a screwdriver, and there was a lot of, call it delamination, but it's not delamination because of it hitting something. It was just poorly laid up in the factory itself. So we've ground back this area here. We're going to put some adhesive fairing filler in there to strengthen that up, and just roughly go over it just to smooth it out a little bit, and then we'll be back tomorrow. I'm gonna have to do a double layer on that one. Do it again tomorrow. Okay, first, then we'll come over that again tomorrow. Alrighty guys, so come back the day after putting the first layer of filler in. Actually cheating a little bit, didn't film what we did straight away. What we did straight away was grab a grinder just very gently over the top, and then went over the top of that again with a 60 grit sandpaper. It's just come up really, really nicely, nice and smooth. There's still some imperfections, but that we've still got another 2 days worth of work on this, or a couple of hours worth, really spread over a couple of days. What we're going to do today though is we're going to put a strip of fiberglass matting, woven matting, just along here. It doesn't really need it, but seeing as we've got the dip in there, why don't we fill it up with some matting to give that a little bit extra strength. There has not been any problems with this keel joint, so I'm not worried about it needing it, but it's something we can put in very, very quickly with a 5-minute job. And after that, we'll come back again tomorrow and we'll start doing the fairing filler, getting it ready for paint. Okay, so we're back day 3, or should we call it session 3, because they're not exactly full days. Yesterday you saw us putting on this layer of glass here, the woven mat, just to go across the seam there, just to make sure the paint doesn't crack. So we're just going to give this a quick buzz over with the grinder and some 60 grit, and then I think we're going to get a bit of fairing filler on it and start to smooth her out. Alright, so that's this morning's little effort. There we've put the fairing filler in. It's actually an adhesive fairing filler. I've mixed 406 and 407, so I've got a combination of the two so that it's not too hard to sand, but it's also adhesive.
So what's your name? Who are you?
My name's Foxy.
My name's Foxy, because I have big foxy ears.
Do you want to live with us forever? Wait, do you want to live with us forever? Or do you want to go back to the street? Should we take you back to the street?
I like to pretend that I'm a lot bigger than I actually am, and I like to hold Jetty's leash as well. Fox! Oh, baby!
What happened?
Hi, baby! Hi, baby!
What happened? You didn't want to come with me?
Hi! Hi!
Nothing to know you're coming back.
Yep.
Hi!
Auntie Kelly's second.
Oh, thank you so much. She didn't want to come. She has to learn a lesson.
We've done it with Mummy before too.
Exactly.
Hi, baby girl! Hi!
Hey, pups. Oh, yeah, we're right. Oh.
Did you miss
What
us?
happened? You didn't want to come with Papa in the dinghy, and what happened? Did we get sad? Did we get sad?
What's happening, babe? We're going to the beach!
Going to the beach. We haven't been to the beach for ages.
For a while.
Absolutely ages.
So we're gonna take the puppy, she's
The
gonna
puppy.
play with some of the other puppies.
Yeah, picnic, some friends. We're going to make a fire, cook some sausages, some potatoes under the ground.
Yeah.
Yeah, just go and enjoy the beach.
Have
We
a good afternoon.
live in the Caribbean, let's go and enjoy it.
Yeah, why not? Let's go.
Thanks. Should we take you to the beach? We can barbecue you. Look, we've got a chicken wing here, a chicken wing here.
Typical, it's raining, and we're going to the beach. Come on, Fox! Foxy! Fox! Come on then!
You can do it!
You can do it!
Your little leg up or something. Oh, that's it. You can do the jump. Come on.
Come on! It's the beach!
Where's Manu?
Dun dun dun! Come on! You can do it! Come on, Fox!
We're gonna play. Come in.
Come on, Fox! Good girl! Come on, baby!
You decided not to.
You were what?
I was worried. Well, I was going to drown him, but I decided not to.
To be honest, he acts like a bit of a bitch. Look at those claw marks.
Well, I thought it was time to shark got me.
That's an underwater fight with Alf.
Yeah.
That's not Judson?
No. Just
Fish your blood.
yeah, there you go. See you, mate. I'm with you forever, brother.
Yeah.
Blood brothers.
That's pretty cool.
Jenny.
Those potatoes look a bit crispy.
I don't know what you're talking
Are those
about.
ours?
Yeah, they're ours.
Stop.
I have to check everywhere. Make sure nobody left any food behind. I really don't like going in the water yet, but I'm getting closer every day.